How to fix the HP laptop orange charge light is blinking. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to tackle a common hiccup with HP laptops, that frustrating flashing orange charging light. Don't stress, I've got straightforward fixes that might just do the trick. First, perform a power reset. Let's start with a hardware reset. Sometimes this alone can solve the problem. Unplug everything, remove all external devices including the charger. Hold the power button for about 20 seconds to discharge any remaining energy. Now reconnect the power adapter and try switching on your laptop again. Step 2. Use the Windows plus B key combo. If the power reset didn't help, try this recovery method. Press and hold both the window key plus B key. While holding them, press and hold the power button for 3 to 4 seconds. Let go of the power button, but keep holding Windows plus B for another few seconds. This sometimes kickstarts the system's firmware recovery mode. Step 3. Let it charge. A blinking orange light often means the battery is nearly drained. Connect your charger and let the laptop charge for a while undisturbed. Avoid trying to power it on too quickly. Step 4. Reseat the battery if removable. Another reason could be that battery isn't seated properly. Turn off the laptop. If your model has a removable battery, take it out carefully, reinsert it securely, making sure it's locked in place. Power the device back on. Step 5. Check the charger. Your charger might be the real culprit. Make sure the power adapter is firmly plugged into both your laptop and the wall outlet. Try a different wall socket or better yet, a different compatible charger to rule out adapter issues. Step 6. Still blinking might be a hardware issue. If none of these tips work, then your laptop might have a hardware level charging problem, maybe in the charging port, motherboard, or power circuit. At this point, it's best to contact HP customer support or visit a certified technician for a thorough checkup. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.